Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished revalving a set of 2023 KTM 350 XCF front forks. These forks were upgraded to the WP XACT Pro 6500 kit, and they're revalved to the JBI off-road spec. This rider lives in Texas and often races the Torx off-road series. The rider's about 250 pounds. We're using 5.2 Newton meter springs in the forks, along with our JBI Spec off-road valving and some softer pressure springs as well. These WP XACT Pro cartridge kits have become very popular lately. They have a competitive price point. They're quite easy to install the assembled cartridge into the forks, as it requires no mods or removal of the lugs if you have a 21 to current motorcycle. If you have an older than 21 bike, we can sell you newer lugs, so that way you can use this kit as well inside of your 20 and older KTM, Husky, or Gas dirt bike. We also revalved the rear shock to match, and we'll go over that in a different video. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. There's a lot more details about this WP XACT Pro on the website as well, with a lot of pictures and YouTube vids and ride reports. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.